Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see looking around environmental studies standard 5th and your chapter name is A Seed Tells a Farmer's Story. In the previous video we have seen part 1. In that we have completed main 5. Today we'll see main 6. Answer the following questions. See the question number 1. What is Desi Undiyu Umbadiyu? Answer is fresh vegetables are put into a clay pot along with the fresh spices. The pot is sealed well and kept upside down between hot hot coals. The vegetables are cooked slowly in this special cooker. The mixed vegetable, which is prepared in a special way with a specific spices, is known as Desi Undiyu, Umbadiyu. Now see the next page. See the question number 2. Which vegetables are used to prepare Undiyu, Umbadiyu? Answer is potatoes, brinjals, tomatoes, carrots, small brinjals, capsicum, coriander leaves, ginger, sweet potatoes, purple yam, and surti beans are used to prepare it. See the question number 3. Which facilities has Hasmukh got from farming? Answer is Hasmukh made a lot of money from farming. He rebuilt the old house. He bought new machines for farming. He used an electric motor to pump water. He bought a motorcycle to go to the city easily and also a tractor to plow the field. See the question number 4. Whatever happened with Hasmukh, who farmed with modern technique, is not really progress. Why? Explain. Answer is due to use of many modern techniques as well as growing the same crop over and over, the fertility of soil has reduced. He cannot pay the installments of the loans he had taken from the bank to buy expensive machineries, a tractor. The bank may confiscate his farm against the remaining loan. Due to all these reasons, he may not be able to farm in the future. See the question number 5. Write down the advantages of farming with the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Answer is the advantages are point 1. Plants get immediate nutrition due to the use of chemical fertilizers. The crop plants develop and grow well. Point 2. The produce obtained from the farmland is very good. Point 3. Pesticides destroy the insects that harm crops so that the crops do not suffer any such harm. Thus, the produce increases. Number 4. Income obtained from farming increases. Now see the next page. See the question number 6. Write down the disadvantages of farming with the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Answer is the disadvantages are point 1. Due to continued and excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Point 2. The income obtained from farming decreases gradually. Point 3. The land lacks nutrition and crop produce decreases in long run. Point 4. Due to pesticides, worms like earthworms and other helpful insects are also destroyed. Point 5. Pesticides dissolve in rainwater and pollute land and water. See the question number 7. Write the benefits of organic farming. Answer is the benefits are point 1. The physical, chemical and biological conditions of the soil improves. Point 2. The fertility of crop remains intact. Point 3. Moisture is retained in the soil. Point 4. The plow goes deep into the soil. Point 5. Since the furrows are deep, water can be stopped from flowing away. Point 6. Insects are beneficial to farming, get proper nutrition. Point 7. Environment that is favorable to crops is provided. Point 8. The waste of farming and leftovers can be used as organic fertilizers. Point 9. Nutritious and tasty vegetables and fruits can be obtained. Now see the question number 8. What would happen if all the farmers sow only one kind of seed and grow only one kind of crop? Answer is there will be a lot of problems. For example, people would not get different things to eat. Point 2. Farmers also would not get good prices for their produce. Point 3. This is because when production is more, cost is less. Point 4. Food is necessary for sustaining life. So, if such a situation arises, people will stop liking their food. Now, see the next page. See the main 7. Answer is asked. Number 1. What is the place where the crop grows and ripens on a plant known as? Write it. Name of the plant, and you have to write down name of the crop part. Plant name is given. See the number 1. Wheat plant. Spike or head. Number 2. Bajra plant. Year. Number 3. Jowar plant. Year. Arises or grows from the year. Cotton plant. Pod. See the number 2. Name the food items that can be made from wheat and bajra. See here. Wheat is a given. From wheat, rotis, puri, sira and lapsi is made. And here bajra. From bajra, rotla, debras, then kuler and vada. Now see question number 3. Make a list of cereals, vegetables, pulses that are grown in your area. Of those, is there anything grown that is famous in the nearby region? Various types of cereals, pulses and vegetables are grown in my area. They are as follows. Now see the cereals. Cereal names are wheat, bajra, jowar and maize. Now pulses. Green gram, tuver, gram, mud, flat beans means wal. Now vegetables. Potatoes, brinjals, cabbage, tomatoes and bottle gourd. And famous thing that are kesar mangoes, strawberries, Alfonso mangoes. Now see the next page. See the main 8. Classify the following tools into traditional and modern tools used for farming. First of all, we will see the tools names given that are plow, tractor, weeding implement, chawad, harvester, flatboard, rake, spade, thresher, hoe, cultivator and sickle. From that, tools from traditional farmings are plow, weeding implement, flatboard, spade, hoe and sickle. And next one, tools for modern farming that are tractor, chawad, harvester, rake, thresher and cultivator. Now we will see the next page. See the hot questions. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in the box provided against each question. See the number 1. What did Damji Bai himself make to store and protect seeds of the new year? A. A tin trunk. B. A storehouse. C. A strong wooden box. And D. A hut of mud. Answer is option C, a strong wooden box. Number 2. In Gujarat, in which month do farmers start sowing? A. Kartak, B. Ashad, C. Shravan and D. Posh. Answer is option B, Asad. Number 3. Which of the following is a festival associated with farming? A. Samvatsari, B. Raksha Bandhan, C. Janmashtami and D. Pongal. Answer is option D, Pongal. See the question number 4. What happened to Hasmukh Bai's farmland due to modern changes in the farming? A. The fertility of land increased. B. The land had to be sold. C. The ability of the land to give a good crop decreased. And D. The land started producing good quality crops. Answer is option C. The ability of the land to give a good crop decreases. Now we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.